All right, today I'm going to clean my Fitbit Inspire 3 here. I'm going to get fancy here and put on these gloves. Okay, let's start with the bands there. Just going to add some water here. It's going to be warm, not too much. There you go. I'll just let that soak for a bit. Got some rubbing alcohol here, 70%. This will be for the conductors on the back of the device. That's this area right here. So we'll worry about that in a second. Also got my microfiber cloth here. Okay, first thing I'll do is just clean off the device. This will be dry right now. No liquids at all. Just get off any sort of, I don't know, dirt or stuff. Okay, that's good. Now I'll take the microfiber cloth. I'll just dip it a little bit. Now I'm just adding water here. So I'm not using any soap or anything. I'm just using water to get things done. So nothing fancy here. All right. Okay. So just gonna give it a rinse in the water there. There you go. All right. Great. Now I'm going to work on these conductor points here. To do that, I'm going to use this thing, but if you don't, Q-tips will work as well. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of alcohol onto the conductor points, basically the back here, just like that. And then I'm just going to rub inside the conductor points, make sure they're all cleaned up. So that looks pretty good. All right. Okay. All right, how does that look? Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to do the hard part here, is getting inside these areas here. Okay, and again, I'm going to use this thing here. Again, Q-tips. Q-tips or something that can like wedge inside there. I don't know if Q-tips might be a bit thick, but I'm just going to dip this in water a little bit like that. I'll dip this too. Turn this on. Just, yeah, let it do its thing there. Okay, I'll just rinse that out a little bit. Take a look there. All right, let's do this side here. Same thing. We'll just dip that like so. All right, that's good. The device looks pretty good. All right, we'll move on to the bands here. Again, I'm just going to use this thing and I'm just going to go through it. Give that a rinse. Take a look. Okay. All right, that part looks good. Just going to take the microfiber cloth here, just kind of wipe it down. Okay, let that sit outside. Let's work on this one. Okay. All right. That's pretty good. And I'll wipe this down just with some water here. Again, just kind of goes like that. I'll pull the pin. There you go. All right, not bad. Clean for the day.